Alrighty, everybody, check it out here. I'm Brian at Phoenix Hot Tubs. We got the boss man. We are now officially unboxing our first ever chili goat Valaris. This is the dual temperature hot tub and cold plunge all in one. It's a 2-person hot tub next to a single person cold plunge. Let's get the camera turned around so you can see the inside. So these guys come, they're roughly 7x7. They're gonna come with everything that you need on them when you get them from the factory. But we're gonna cut this guy open here. Really nice packaging. All the reminders there to wait 24 hours before you fill them. That's to let the refrigerants settle. We've got some tape here, it looks like. Little top cover. Here we are, Valaris. Goodness.
Wow, this is
what a fun way to unbox something. Look at this big old cardboard.
Really packaged. Wow.
It is really packaged well. I'm kind of surprised. Look at all these guys. This will absorb shock in transit. Definitely for the easiest trash day in your local neighborhood here in Arizona, let us do the delivery. We'll get rid of everything for you. Big old 7x7 hot tub cover. Look at this guy. We got our classic cold plunge side like we're used to, but it is now conjoined to a 2-person jetted tub. Holy smokes.
This thing is awesome.
Jetted seats, everything you need comes inside. Here's like a chemical kit, extra filters, jetted area. Amazing. Call us up for some info on the Valaris, the only dual temperature cold plunge hot tub I can think of by Master Spas and Chili Goat. Get yours today.